Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's do it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are not visible right now, so we cannot really manually change the date and time. It is because we are using the time and date set automatically. So let's first of all turn off this option, and right now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date, the time, the same situation, just by swiping, and it will immediately appear on the status bar. You can always change the time zone if you want to. Just find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you've got the option to use the dual clock. You can turn it on or off just by using the switcher, and basically it means that if you will have it turned on, your device will display two different clocks. The first one will show the time from the place you're currently in, and the second clock will show you the hour from totally another place all around the world of your choice. Here you can decide whether you want to use 24-hour format time or 12-hour format. If you want to use 12-hour one, just turn off this option and it will be also immediately applied. So this is the manual customization of the date and time. Of course, you can go back to the automatic one, simply tap on the switcher here, and if you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.